And a good afternoon, this is Dr. Lieven speaking to you from Portugal, giving you a quick update for TornadoRising. The good news is that the withdrawals are open. You can now submit the monies you've earned, and soon you will be paid. You're able to update your profile, and that's important. If you're going to withdraw, you obviously need to be able to insert your Bitcoin address, and then we're urging you to submit testimonials. So first, let's take a look at withdrawals. You can now withdraw your earnings. You can withdraw to any Bitcoin address of your choice. You don't need to use a Coin Payments Bitcoin address. Coin Payments is only used as a processor. So whereas it says something about the Coin Payments ID, put in any Bitcoin address there of your choice. Now, before you can do that, and I'll explain that in just a moment, you have to insert your Bitcoin address into your profile, and then once you've submitted your withdrawal, allow 24 to 48 hours to get paid. Now, to update your profile, before you request for withdrawal, go to My Account, click on Profile. At the very bottom, scroll down, you will find a little line that says Send Security Token to Email. Click on that. When you do, that token will be sent to your email. Copy and paste it, bring it back, paste it into that security box. Now, before you save it, you have to update the other information, your address, telephone, etc., including, that is where you go ahead and insert the Bitcoin address into the payment ID field, and then click Save, and that should then allow you to submit a withdrawal without any problems. Now, soon we're gonna have how-to videos. So soon there's gonna be little short how-to videos on all the essential steps that are needed in the back office. You'll probably find a video on every page. That's usually how we do it in programs. So things like how to sign up, how to withdraw, when you first arrive, a tour around the back office for newbies, how to invite others, how to update your profile, how to interpret the matrix, how to join the Telegram groups. All of this we're gonna have little videos on, but guys, give us time. We need time to produce these things. Now, you can help the most by posting your earnings, and by the way, most of the people in the Telegram groups were already in TornadoRising. So go post on Facebook, post your earnings. You can use one of the graphics, you can use whatever you want to, give people screenshots, handwrite on your screenshots. People love little handwritten notifications on things. Post when you've earned, post when you get paid, and because we all love to see real testimonials, not just a sales pitch, but real testimonials of real people making real money, being really happy, really excited. And also, don't forget this, and this is for each one of you. Darn, if you're gonna go scream or whine or cry, baby, on everything that upsets you, instead, how about showing gratitude? How about being thankful? That's the way to do it, because we need to share this wonderful thing with the rest of the world. And this is it for this update. Thank you very much, and enjoy the ride. Don't forget to share. Thank you.